How to download games on PS5. So first of all, go to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 console here. Then what you want to do is go to the right, either on your D-pad or your left stick. That's going to get you to the PlayStation Store here. Then you're going to want to scroll down. If you want to see whole sections, you can go down all the way to the bottom and you can just see games there, the first one on the left hand side there, and you can see all the PS5 games. But then if you want to get a bit more specific, let's say for instance you want free to play games, then you can click on that one at the bottom there, and here's all the different free options. There's actually quite a lot of them. You can also pick by genre by clicking that one there, and then you can see all of these different options down here. And also there is a VR2 section as well. If you have that, you can download games here. But wherever you want, you can also click search in the top right hand corner and search specifically for games. Then all you need to do is click on it, then click on download, and then you'll be able to play the game once it's downloaded. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.